Thinking about selling your home? Well, here's the secret. Nearly half of the sellers today are offering something extra to close the deal, and it's working. See, a seller concession is something that you offer to make your home more appealing to buyers. New home builders have been doing this for decades. So it could be covering the closing costs, buying down the buyer's interest rate, paying for the buyer's real estate agent fees, covering home warranty, or even giving a credit for repairs. Think of a concession as a tool, not a trade off. Many times, concessions are made in lieu of a price reduction. With more homes on the market, buyers have more choices. So standing out takes a strategy. And here's the good news. Even with concessions, many sellers are coming out ahead. Prices are still up roughly, 55% over the last 5 years, which means you've got great room to negotiate and still walk away with a great profit. Your best offer could be just one concession away. Let's connect and see what happens. Take care.